A big announcement out of Elkhart today. A new college summer league baseball stadium is on the way. As Fox 28's Molly Jurasek reports, people are excited about the added entertainment option and the potential economic impact.
We know that baseball is going to thrive here.
Today, a private group in Elkhart County announced their plan to build a brand new minor league baseball stadium.
We really wanted to find a location that all of Elkhart County could easily access. Bristol, Middlebury, Napanee, Wakarusa, Elkhart, Goshen, and this location is perfect.
Team owner Craig Wallen has dreamed of his own team since he was 9 years old and definitely saw an opportunity in our area. With a stadium comes its own independent team, the Elkhart County Miracle. They say eventually the stadium will seat 4,000 people. They envision the stadium being very family-friendly with lots of economic and entertainment opportunities. That is music to the ears of the community.
Well, if opposing teams come in and they travel with them, obviously they need lodging, they got to eat.
I think it could bring a lot of entertainment to Elkhart, a lot of job opportunities too for like teenagers.
It would bring a lot of people into Elkhart. It would boost up business a lot.
They aren't saying where the new stadium will be yet, but they plan to announce that in 2 weeks. The groundbreaking ceremony is scheduled for June 28th, and just in time for the 4th, the official colors of the new team will be red, white, and blue. In downtown Elkhart, Molly Jurasek, Fox 28 News.
Well, also, the stadium is still up for grabs on the naming rights. You can find more information about that new team in this story on our website, fox28.com.